Class 3rd Computer Lesson number 3 Introduction to MS Windows 7. Windows 7 is the Microsoft Windows operating system OS released commercial in October 2009 as the successor to Windows Vista. Windows 7 is built on Windows Vista kernel and was intended to be an update to the Vista OS. OS means operating system. It uses the same arrow user interface. User interface means UI that debated in Windows Vista. As a result, too many ends user the biggest changes between Vista and Windows 7 were faster boot times, new ULS, and addition of the Internet Explorer IE. Internet Explorer means IE 8. The OS is widely available in 3 retail editions: Windows 7 Home, Prime, Professional, and Ultimate. Starts Home, Basic, and Enterprise edition are available in some markets. In development, Windows 7 was known by the code names Black, Com, and Vina. Key feature: with Windows 7, users can pin application to the taskbar. In addition, users can rearranging the applications the taskbar in any order they see fit. Other addition including libraries for storing files. The default library folders including documents, pictures, and videos, each of the which has a public and private version. In addition, Windows 7 was the first of the Windows to support multi-touch capabilities. It's also feature more accurate handwriting recognition. Windows 7 introduction the Snap and Shakes capabilities. Snap enables a user to dark and open windows to the left or right side of the screen and have it automatically resized to take up half the screen. If a user pulls the windows of the side, it reverts to the size and shape it was before he snapped it to the side of the screen. A user can automatically maximize a window by dragging it to the top of the screen. With Shake, users can hide all active windows to relay the desktop by clicking the top of an open window off and quickly dragging it back and forth. Users can also easily reach the desktop with the Show Desktop button on the bottom right of the screen, which minimizes all open windows. Home Group is a network of devices that enables users to share files and folders with the groups are on an individual basis. User required a password to join a group. Jump lists are designed to task user to the file and tasks they work with most in an application. They appear in the application's start menu or the taskbar with Microsoft Word. For example, the jumping list would display the last few files the user worked with. Direct access for mobile workers enables IT administrators to update group policy setting and distribute software update anytime the mobile device has internet communicative whether or not the user is logged on. Direct access supports multi-factor arithmetic and encryption. MX mode enables order application designed for Windows XP to use a virtualized version of the XP OS. To the end user, the application seem to be running right on the Windows 7 desktop. Branch cache optimize WAN bandwidth through more effective use of the local read-only cache. BitLocker to go to extend on disk encryptions and key management techniques to portable storage device. Virtual hard disk support enables IT to mount a VHD and interact with it as if it were a physical drive. Enterprise search extends search to the remote documents repositories, Microsoft SharePoint sits and web application. Apps Locker enables IT administrator to use group policy to specify rules about what application can run on a user desktop. Exchange virtual desktop infrastructure enables administrator to use the same master image to manage remote desktop running through VDI and traditional desktop computers. Windows 7 has the following hardware requirements according to the Microsoft: 1 GPS processor, 32 bit or 34 bits, 1 GB of RAM 32 bit, 2 GB of RAM 64 bit, 16 GB of available disk space 32 bits, 120 GB of available disk space 64 bit. DirectX 9 graphics device with Windows Display Driver model 1.0 or higher driver. History: in July 2007, Microsoft announced it was developing a new OS operating system that would become Windows 7. The company related the name Windows 7 in October 2008. Microsoft released Windows 7 to manufacturing in July 2009 and made the OS operating system generally available on October 22, 2009. It served as the successor to Windows Vista and the processor to Windows 8. Okay, now you finish explanation. I will start the read the chapter from the book. Okay, open your course book, page number 24, lesson number 3, introduction of MS Windows. When you switch on the computer, you will notice a lot of changes taking place on the screen. These changes are caused by the operating system. As your brain controls all the activities of your body, similarly, the operating system controls all the activities of a computer. You all are thinking, what is an operating system? An operating system is a software that carries out all the important activity of the computer. It helps us to communicate with the computer. Most computers use Microsoft Windows as the operating system. Microsoft Windows MS Windows system is available in many forms called versions, such as MS Windows 98, MS Windows XP, MS Windows Vista, and MS Windows 7. Nowadays, mostly MS Windows 7 is used in our computer system. So let us learn about the feature of MS Windows. MS Windows is an operating system which run on your computer. It helps you to do a lot of work on the computer. MS Windows 7 looks like the picture given below. The desktop. When MS Windows 7 start, a new screen appear as shown in the figure below. This is called desktop. Components of a desktop. Icons. You can see small picture on the desktop. These pictures are called icons. When you double click an icon, a file or programs open. Some important icons on the desktop are computer, recycle bin, etc. Desktop background. The picture image that appear on the desktop is called desktop background. It can be changed from time to time. Taskbar. The bent or strip-like area at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. It contains the start button in the left corner and clock is the right corner of this page. Clock. You can see time and date in the right corner of the taskbar. When you move the mouse pointer to the right corner, you will see date and timing appearing on the desktop. Start button. The button is left corner of the taskbar is called start button. When you click on start button, a list of programs is open. This list is called start menu. Run. The run option helps to start program. To run any program, first click on start button. A menu screen appears. Second, move the mouse pointer just below the all programs where you can see a blank space. This is called search program and files option. Third, type run by using keyboard. A list of options will appear on the screen. Fourth, move the mouse pointer to the run option and press enter key. Fifth, a new small window appear on the screen. 6. Type the name of the program you want to open. 7. Click on OK to open it. Shutdown. Shutdown helps you to close all the programs on the computer. To use shutdown option, follow the given steps. First, click on start button. On the taskbar, the start menu screen appear. Second, click on start shutdown button on the lower right corner of the menu. Third, now switch off the power button on the monitor. Fourth, switch off the power button on the UPS. Fifth, switch off the main power supply. Gadgets. Gadgets are the tools which are used to see the information in any easy way. Windows 7 gadgets are calendar, clock, weather, picture, puzzles, etc. The figure alongside shows the gadgets. For example, clock displays the time. Weather shows the information about weather of any place around the world. Calendar is a series of the pages showing the days, week and month of a year. Okay, I think you understand what is the means of MS Windows 7. If you have any confusion, any doubt, you message me in my personal WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, Allah Hafiz. See you. Bye.